guys, welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a while since the last video. Just been going through a lot of personal stuff. But with that being said, I have been hoarding parts. So as you can see, we got a few things that we're gonna get done today. Got my brother with me, Jesse. Got a few other people that's supposed to be meeting me there, but we're heading to my friend Andrew's house, the guy that we've been building the Mustang with, and we'll get right to it. Catch you guys. All right, well, we just got to Andrew's. Cue Andrew.
Wow, man, we're here. That car, man, that flake.
It's interesting. You see the cat paws, man? You guys see that?
Yeah.
My cat likes to climb all over my car. So
that's your cat?
Yeah, it's my cat. We call him Hood Cat. I forget what Hood Cat.
One of those fake commercials on YouTube one time. Where the cat's head got cut off.
Here's all the parts we got, guys. So I'll kind of get it out there. We're doing my clutch. We got a Z1 Mile Performance clutch, and we got the Z1 14.7 pound flywheel. We also are doing my, engine mounts, and we're doing my Megan Racing resonated test pipes. So we got a whole bunch of stuff to do. Right now we're just kind of waiting on the car to cool off because we just got here. But we got Terry here. Terry in the building.
What's up?
You know, got one more guy coming. We got Brad coming. So we're just gonna get to it. Right now we're working on kind of our plan. I promise it's not our first time. I promise. All right, got the car in the air, soaking all the exhaust bolts because they look really untouched. Get the 3 bolts to the top of the cat too. Oh damn, good thought. I forgot about those.
Looking at this shit, it's my motherfucking birthday, and I'm happy my motherfucking brother.
Go down in the comments. Wish Terry a happy birthday. It is his birthday. He's a real one for coming to help. Cause we definitely got a handful of stuff to do, man. It's gonna be handful. That's a big handful too. So like, we got some stuff going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, I'm basically just gonna record them working on my car and you know, give some insight here and there.
I sprayed that shit in my eye one time. Is that WD-40?
You think the top transmission bolt is
I sprayed some WD-40 in my eye before.
What is it?
That shit fucked
that's a real deal.
That's a real deal.
It smells good.
It does smell good, doesn't it?
That's bad.
You think the top transmission?
You can be creative. Get these sparks. We got Andrew over here about to cut off these bolts to the catalytic converters. We got new bolts because I just bought test pipes. So I really hate these things.
Catch yourself on fire.
Alright, fellas.
Alright, bro, take it easy, man.
Later, man.
Hey, good meeting you.
Good meeting you too, bro.
Take it easy.
Be safe, bro.
All right, well, backup plan. Now we're gonna go straight to removing the cats, hopefully, and hopefully we have better luck with those bolts. But right now he sheared them off, and they're still kind of.
They're hanging on. They're pressing studs.
They're stuck in there. So either way, we're gonna try to move on to just taking it directly from the cats, since we got to replace them anyway, and just take the whole exhaust down. So I will catch you guys whenever we have that thing apart. Alright, it's been some time now. Andrew was able to actually get one of the catalytic converters, the passenger side, off with the car in the air. For the driver's side, man, that was a pain in the ass because he had to avoid the steering column. Do you have your where's your show them your extensions? So this combination here,
People have seen worse.
is what he had to use. Jesse, you got a light?
Lift her back up.
You got a light?
Yeah.
So they had to go all the way down there to, I don't know if you guys can see that bolt, but right there on the where the header connects to the cat. It was a pain to get to, but now that's all said and done. So we can go ahead and get the other O2 sensor out of the other cat, throw those in the new test pipes, throw those on, and see if we're gonna start messing with the clutch today, or if that's something that we might push off. I'm still debating that, so we will see. All right, guys, it's been some hours later, but here we are. It's the grand
You know, it'll
grand reveal part.
being off of that.
This turn and this.
Yeah, slam.
Push that down.
Hold on. Is this chain holding this?
Oh, it's leaking. Hey, stop for a sec. Where's the?
Got it. You got diff fluid? I mean, transmission fluid?
He's changing it, right?
He don't got none. Should have kept it. Oh, yeah, I didn't know what motherfucker though. Drew, move out the way. The motherfucker is heavier than it looks. Let this bitch go. You thought to come down with me. I'm gone. Alright, then we gotta go down. Oh, that's why you swing.
Hold the back. Just hold the back up. Yep, we definitely got to buy gear fluid or transmission fluid.
You want it flatter, or you want it to sling?
Transmission's finally separated. These guys have been busting their ass all day.
You passed that sub frame? Oh, nope. Okay, hold on. Stop. Oh, this is gonna go down with it. Yeah, okay, now.
No, it's not. Stop.
It's not.
This has to. You gotta loosen it. There we go. A little bit
Drew,
low.
you better get ready to loosen it again or something.
No, we're gonna stop and be able to move it.
Pan ready.
Should have bought a butt plug. There's those for transmissions.
No.
Can you lift real high?
Yeah.
The more you lift, the more I'm going to jack this up.
I'm trying to keep it straight though. It's kind of tilting to the right.
Oh, really?
More than I want.
All right.
Because you over there.
Tilt to the right, you said?
Yeah, like towards you. Like it's just starting to
Well, which way?
hang over. Like it's just starting to rotate a little bit.
So you're going to push this side up?
Yeah. No,
How's that?
other way. Other side.
Oh. Push that down.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a little bit of clutch material. Look at that strawberry. Is it beat up?
Yeah, I was talking about the pilot.
All right.
Oh, the pilot, the one that's
That's
actually in the back of the. Yeah.
That's what I always had. Use bread and shit.
All right, so transmission's out. Go ahead and start removing the clutch and everything. Nothing. All right, guys, it's actually day 2. The GoPro died, had to come back. Where we left you guys off at, we had just got the transmission out.
It was 5 degrees last night.
And yeah, and we got the clutch and pressure plate off. Now we just got to move the firewall bolts, get that out, and get the pilot bushing out, and then just basically reverse. And yeah, that's where we'll be at. So I'll catch you guys whenever we get the firewall off, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, and just like that, we got the old one off, got the new one all up in there, got the clutch alignment tool in with the clutch in. Just gotta throw the pressure plate on, and it's red, so you know it's for race cars. It's for race cars. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that, and then we will move on to other exciting things. All right. All right, it's transmission time. Got the pressure plate on. Andrew's over here. What were you gonna say? Something that can't be said on the camera now? Definitely something that couldn't be said on the camera.
I was just saying, I mean, we put the transmission fluid in, and then I just imagined Drew's face when it started pouring out, and he just spent $22 per cord.
Whoa,
Yeah.
if I bought the Royal Purple, we
Oh, the Royal Purple, he's like,
no, this is, yeah, we didn't do that.
Oh, you bought the O'Reilly's name brand. Never mind.
Oh.
Note to next owner.
No, it was Royal Purple. I paid $22 a quart. Like all race car drivers.
On camera.
All right. 1 second here. I'm gonna clean the spline off and then grease the spline. Smart man. Whatever happens if you poke a hole on these? I always wanted to know.
Very little warning.
Somehow we know. Today was an hour's delay.
I just kicked the light in place. Perfect.
Yeah. Nailed it.
What's that?
I kicked the light in place.
That's not good. Okay.
You're working the shaft? It's worked? It's all worked up?
I'm working it. I'm gonna lube it up too.
Whoa, dude!
Well, I'll lube just a little bit. What's your lube of choice, Mr. Drew?
50 weight. No, I don't know. I don't know, man.
I was expecting him to say cherry or
He wants
something.
some
Cherry!
He wants some friction when it's cold outside. He's like 50 weight.
All right, so one more update tonight before I head home. They were able to get the exhaust back together. Just got to tighten the downpipes and a few extra miscellaneous stuff. We got to get the 2 top bolts in the transmission, and then after that, I'm actually gonna come back tomorrow and finish the rest of it. We gotta bleed the clutch, and if we're feeling up to it, we will also throw the solid engine mounts in. So yeah, next thing you'll see, it'll be next day, and we'll be wrapping the car up, and you guys will get a cold start. All right, guys, day 3. This is pickup day. We have to wait a little while, but what are we doing? Just putting the interior back together. Just gonna throw the interior back together. We'll get a very cold start with the test pipes in. And actually, I did a cold start video prior to this with the old exhaust setup, so I'll insert that now so you guys can see that. And then yeah, and then now you guys will see the new setup. Woo. First start. There we go. That's the new exhaust setup. So I fully went trumpet gang, band practice all the time. Thank you, Andrew. Not
Yeah, absolutely.
Got to cover the camera. That's solid. There we go, boys. It's running.
And ice driving.
Some ice driving.
Yeah, because the weather's so.
Oh yeah, and
Yeah, sleety.
a hell of a day to pick up a car with a new clutch.
The Mustang all covered in snow.
You guys can kind of see there's ice and snow and every kind of shit. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this thing. We're gonna try to get this thing home. Well, shit. Here we go, boys. are back in town. Car's here safe, one piece, ice, snow everywhere. Ridiculous. Bro's a lifesaver. Always got my back. Hell yeah. Alright, so yeah, we're back. And yeah, that's what it sounds like, man. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and put gas in this thing, get everybody home, and call it a night. We'll catch you guys on the next one.